Hello all, welcome back to the channel. It's a wintry Sunday morning and as you can see the sun is rising high and is shining bright and giving us all a very positive hope. So on this note, let's start with our today's video. Now a lot of you really like my cooking videos. I'm really thankful for all your love and support. So I thought of sharing what all I cooked for my family this Sunday from breakfast till dinner. So let's start with the breakfast. For breakfast today I am making egg in the whole recipe. This is my husband's and my kids' favorite recipe, which is very healthy, quick to make and very easy and yet filling. So here I have taken one piece of bread which I am cutting in rectangular shape like this. You can cut it in circular as well. And once I'm done cooking, I'll remove the center piece of the bread. And here I have heated up a pan and just greasing it with little bit butter. You can use ghee or oil, whatever you like to, and we'll place the bread piece like this. And now I'm breaking the egg in the hole. Now you can cook the egg yolk part as it is, but my husband likes it in this way, so I'm just scrambling it with fork like this. And now I'm adding some black pepper powder and some black salt. You can use white salt as well, it is equally good. Now to make this dish a little more healthy and filling, I'm adding some grated cheese on the egg. You can use cheese if you like to eat cheese, but my family prefers paneer over cheese, that's why I'm using paneer. And now I'll let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and covering it with a lid. In about 2 to 3 minutes it will be cooked from one side, so I'm placing the rest part of the bread like this and pressing it down. And now it's time to flip it over. Look how beautiful it came out from this side. And now we will cook it from the other side as well, and in about 3 to 4 minutes it will be cooked from the other side as well. So this recipe is all done and is ready to be served. Now a lot of you asked me my tea recipe, so here it is. In a tea pan I am adding about quarter cup water and let it boil. In the meantime I am crushing some ginger and some cardamom pods. In my family, especially during winters, tea without ginger and cardamom is a big no. That's why I always add ginger and cardamom in my tea. So once the water has started boiling, I'll add the crushed ginger and cardamom and let it boil. Once the ginger and cardamom releases all its flavor in the water, I'm adding the tea leaves. And now you can see the water is again boiling, so I'm adding 1 cup milk to it and adding about 3 teaspoons sugar. And we'll let it boil, and once the tea has come to boil, I'll put it on a very low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes so that the tea becomes really strong. And in about 20 minutes my tea is all done and is ready to be served. So here is my breakfast. I'm serving it with some soaked almonds and walnuts. Now let's move on to the lunch preparation. For lunch I soaked these rajma overnight and now I am washing it under fresh water. Once I'm done washing, I'll add the rajma in the pressure cooker with some water, about 1.5 cup, and now adding some salt to it and covering it with a lid, and we'll cook it on a medium flame for 3 to 4 whistles. In the meantime, I am cooking the rice here to go along with rajma. I pre-soaked this rice about 15 minutes ago and added it to the boiling water now. And now let's start preparing some veggies for the curry. So here I'm chopping some green chilies, onion and tomato. Now a lot of you asked me about my scissor that I use for chopping this green chilies and my chopper that I use for chopping the onion. So I'll put the Amazon link for both of these in the description box below. I ordered it from Amazon. In case you want to buy, you can check out the links. Here I am grating some ginger as well to go in the curry. Now let's start preparing the rajma curry. So in a pan I'm taking about 1.5 teaspoon ghee. To it adding cumin seeds and some ajwain seeds. Since rajma chole are very heavy on our stomach, that's why I'm adding ajwain so that it becomes a little more easy to digest. And after that I added some hing, some green chili, chopped onion and grated ginger. Now adding salt so that the onions get cooked really fast. We have to cook the onions till they are nice light brown in color. In the meantime, the rice is also cooked, so I'm just transferring it into the chalani and just washing it with cold water so that the grains do not stick together. And here my onions are all cooked, so adding in the tomatoes as well. Now the tomatoes are cooked, so it's time to add some spices. So here I'm adding some Kitchen King masala, coriander powder and chola masala. I don't use separate rajma masala. Chola masala works fine for rajma as well, but if in case you have rajma masala, go ahead and add rajma masala. So once the masala is also cooked, I'll add the cooked rajma. And now I'll crush it with my spatula itself just to give my curry a little more thick texture, and it looks really nice also. In case you don't like the crushed one, you can just keep the rajma as it is. Now once I'm satisfied with the consistency, I'll start adding the water. So here I added about 2 cups of water and let the water boil. And once the water has started boiling, means the rajma is all ready. Turn off the flame, and now I'm adding some garam masala, some chaat masala and garnishing my rajma with the coriander leaves. And my rajma is all ready to be served. Now I have shared the recipe of jeera rice a lot of times, but again sharing in this video. I added some ghee to it, added some cumin seeds and pre-cooked rice with some salt and giving it a good mix, and my jeera rice will be ready in no time. Now heading on to make dough for my chapatis with a twist. I always add crushed flaxseed powder in my wheat flour. This makes chapatis really healthy. It doesn't change the taste of chapati, but it makes them really healthy, and it is a very nice way to include flax seeds in your diet. So by adding water little by little, I'll make a very soft dough for my chapatis and will keep it aside for 5-7 minutes before making chapati. See how beautiful puffed chapati I got. So my lunch is all ready to be served with some sliced onions on side. Now it's time to prepare the dinner. So here I have my sprouted dal. I soaked the whole moth in fresh water overnight, and in the morning I just washed it and wrapped it in muslin cloth, and in about 7 to 8 hours it is well sprouted and is ready to be used. You can use it as it is to make salad, but I like it the way I am making it today. So I added the dal in the pressure cooker along with some water, around quarter cup, with just a pinch of turmeric powder and salt, and now I'll pressure cook it for 1 whistle on a high flame. In the meantime, let's start preparing the veggies that I'll be using for the salad. So it's just green chilies, tomato and onion I like in my salad, but you can use any veggies of your choice like zucchini, cucumber, bell pepper goes really well in this salad. I have a lot of rajma left over from the lunch, so I'll be using it during the dinner time, so I just have to prepare this salad during the night time. Now let's check our dal. It's nice and soft and is ready to be used. So now I'll transfer it into the bowl along with the veggies that we just chopped. So here goes the tomatoes, green chilies and onion. This recipe is really quick and easy to make and is very good if you are maintaining your weight, or if you are looking forward to lose your weight. You can easily take it during lunchtime or breakfast or dinner. So in this salad I added about 1 teaspoon lemon juice along with some chaat masala and roasted cumin powder on the top, and giving it a good mix, and my delicious sprout salad is all ready to be served. Now this is achari paneer bhurji which my husband made for dinner, and I totally forgot to shoot, so I'll definitely share its recipe in some other video. I am really sorry for today. So this is our simple dinner with rajma, salad, chapati and paneer bhurji. So friends, I really hope that you found this video a little helpful. If so, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please do subscribe to my channel. If you are new here and haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will meet really soon with a new video. Till then, take care, bye, love you all.